YouTube, what's going on? Kevin the Tech Ninja, and today we're unboxing something actually different. I've never unboxed something like this on my channel. This is the Winbot X, the window cleaning robot. It's by Robotics. They make robotic vacuum cleaners, but this is a window cleaner. It has no cords at all. It just sucks to your window. It just sticks itself on your window and clean your window. This is pretty amazing. I'm excited to unbox it. So let's take a look. So big shout out to Echovax for sponsoring this unboxing of the video. As you guys know, I cover everything from the smart home to the smartphone. And today I'm just excited to add something more to my lexicon of smart home goodies. So some of the stats on the box, some of the key features are gonna be the cordless and portable cleaning, the adaptive cleaning path, where it sort of goes up and down and clean and not just a kind of a linear line. And then a thorough cleaning system. It has a 4-stage cleaning process plus a deep clean mode for even more stubborn dirt and stains. A safety tether system, so this attaches to the Winbot to ensure it doesn't fall off or anything like that. You attach it to this and it creates a tether, so if something happens where it becomes disconnected, it won't slam to the ground, it'll be suspended by the system. So let's get it out of the box, let's take a look and let's see what they have for us. Okay, the first layer of goodies, we're here. This is the instructional booklet, the pamphlet, all that stuff. We'll set that to the side right here. We'll open this part up. I will presume, and I'm correct, the Winbot X is right here. So let's go ahead and move this to the side for now. So under this first tab here, we have our remote and we also have batteries that are included. So this is how we control the Winbot against everything. These are all of our settings that we'll use to control it. So right here, this is the safety mechanism. This connects to your window and then this connects to the Winbot. And this ensures that if it falls off, you have this tethering system where it will catch it and ensures that it doesn't fall off at all. Looks like we have some additional cloths. Looks like microfiber cloths for cleaning. And then here we have our power brick and power cord to charge the Winbot. As I said, it is wireless, so it does require a battery, and we'll get that charged up. So this is the extra bottom piece that this actually goes on the Winbot. Looks like you have 3 of them, actually. So these are 3 different bottom pieces. This goes on the Winbot. This touches your window. This wipes your window down. So you have 3, including the one already installed. So you have 4 altogether. And this is just what enables you to clean it. This is the cleaning solution. So this is what you're gonna spray on your windows as you clean it. So what you're gonna do is you're gonna put some solution on the window and then you're gonna have the bot go over the solution to ensure that it cleans. So the bot does not have a tank in it, does not carry solution because it's pretty lightweight. And so you add the solution to the window and let it do its thing. So let's get all this stuff out of the way and let's take a deeper dive into the bot. So here is a front look at the bot. It has like a little handle right here where you can pick it up and take it where you need to. Up top, we do have our power button right here. And we also have an indicator light. And this right here is where the connector goes into. So once again, you secure it in, you can lock it in. So this is where the connector goes to lock it. This is what it looks like from the bottom, and this is what interacts directly with your window. And then here are the suction rollers. So this sticks to your window and this rolls it up and down. When you turn this on, the fans kick on, the power lights kick on. And then right here at the bottom, this light, it lights up and then you have your power button right here. But once again, you can control everything using the remote control too if you want. Although it's an unboxing, I wanted to hook it up and clean my windows to kind of show you how it works, since this is pretty unique. Now, once you connect it to the tether and turn it on, the fans kick on and then it just sticks to your window. From here, you can use the remote to control it, and you can pick from different cleaning patterns, or you just go into automatic mode. Or if you want, you can use the remote to move it around to a specific spot. It took around 3 minutes to clean this whole patio door. It moves faster than I thought it would. Now, if I had a 2-story room, this would save me hundreds of dollars, as I know getting professionals to clean those 2-story rooms with those really tall windows it gets pretty expensive. Now I think it does a really good clean. I don't see any streaks at all, and you can see right through the window now. As always guys, this is just an unboxing. If you want to see a full review after I've used this product for a few months, let me know down below by hitting like and leaving a comment. Ecovacs is also hosting a giveaway on their Facebook page, so if you want to enter to win one of these Winbot X's, make sure you hit the link down below. As always guys, I'm Kevin the Tech Ninja. I cover everything from the smart home to the smartphone. If you like these type of videos, hit subscribe. I'll talk to you guys later.
KTTN, say it again. Tell a friend to tell a friend that it's him again. Yo, real talk, opinions gon' be sharper than 4K. Scope Squad, eat it up, simmer it, saute. Ninja got reviews and rants galore. You ain't never seen a channel like this before. No hashtag.